Best deals.
1. Dosa Tawa. Innovative design combines the convenience of non-stick cooking with the durability of stainless steel ridges. This means you can confidently use metal spatulas without worrying about damaging the non-stick surface. The Tawa features an extra thick 3.5 mm tri-ply base that excels in retaining and distributing heat evenly across the cooking surface. Handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spices Box. The airtight food storage containers using food-grade material production, fine workmanship, BPA-free, durable, beautiful and practical. Containers have 4 compartments. It can put a variety of foods together without confusion in kitchen or fridge. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Frying Pan. Enjoy healthier, tastier, and crispier meals without the need for artificial coatings. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. As this frying pan is rugged, you can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability. The heat-proof glass lid features a food-grade silicone rim for a secure fit. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil Dispenser. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The glass is designed to protect contents from light, preserving the quality and freshness of oils and seasonings for longer storage times. Featuring a wider diameter, this oil pot allows for quick and mess-free refilling. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cooker. Body is given the right curvature, which has 3 benefits. Food is easy to stir during the cooking that is done prior to pressure cooking. This helps prevent the food from sticking or burning, and cleanup is so easy. For difficult dishes which require a lot of stirring, the Conchura with its rounded sides is an ideal pressure cooker. Thick base is a plate of ASI 430 magnetic stainless steel which makes the cooker induction compatible. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish Drying Mat. Engineered with high-density absorbent material, this mat quickly soaks up water drips from dishes, glassware, and utensils, keeping your countertops bone dry and preventing moisture buildup under your drying rack. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Baby Food Box. Effortlessly transfer milk powder into bottles without any spills or mess, thanks to the detachable funnel design. Made with high-quality, BPA-free materials, ensuring your baby's health and safety with every use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Glass Jars. Flip-top lids are easy to open and close, and wide mouth makes it easy to fill and dispense. The rubber gasket offers a secure seal preventing leaks. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Appam Pot is a cutting-edge cookware innovation designed to enhance your cooking experience. It features a Hawkins ceramic non-stick coating on the inside, offering excellent release properties. This means that food effortlessly slides off the surface, requiring less oil for cooking. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Lunch Box. Keeps your child's food hot or cold for an impressive 5 to 6 hours, ensuring a satisfying meal even during long school days. The lunch box is designed with a convenient collapsible handle, making it easy for kids to carry. Its slim stainless steel body fits comfortably into any bag. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Portable Blender. Equipped with a 40W low-noise DC motor, this mini blender is perfect for blending soft fruits, mixing powders, or making smoothies and shakes with ease. High-quality stainless steel blades provide faster, smoother blends. For creamy shakes, protein drinks, and refreshing juices. Comes with a 300 ml unbreakable polycarbonate jar, lightweight body, and USB charging for hassle-free use at home, office, or travel. Features a double press switch, inbuilt thermostat for motor safety, and jar sensing technology for secure operation. Dishwasher safe jar and simple twist to blend function make daily use effortless. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kadai. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Lunchbox. Bring an innovative and premium upgrade to the regular steel lunch. Featuring a unique all-steel seal lock and lock type lid, 100% leak-proof and airtight. Easy locking. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Egg boiler. Crafted with a stainless steel body and heating plate. Comes with a food-grade egg boiling rack, poaching tray, and transparent lid. Boils 8 eggs at a time or poaches up to 4 eggs at a time. Also use it to steam vegetables. The egg boiler will automatically shut off once the specified amount of water has been used, depending on the cooking style. Comes with measuring cup with piercing pin. Piercing the eggs with the pin prevents eggs from cracking while getting boiled. Includes egg boiler, poaching tray, egg boiling tray, water measuring cup. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Towel ring. Features a modern round design that complements various bathroom interiors. With no drilling required, installation is easy and mess-free. Just peel off the 3M adhesive backing and press onto a clean, dry surface. Equipped with a large 3M adhesive pad. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Plastic box. The 2-tier storage box with one transparent lid and secure latching buckle locks your supplies firmly for safe storage and transportation. With transparent design, you can see what is in the box easily and find where they are stored, eliminating the hassle of opening the box. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Casserole. Is designed to have excellent non-stick properties, which means that food is less likely to stick to its surface. This can make cooking and serving dishes easier and more enjoyable. Reduces oil usage. The bowl claims to use 36% less oil when cooking, promoting the preparation of tasty yet healthier dishes. This can be beneficial for those who want to reduce their oil consumption. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Plates. It is made from thick 22-gauge stainless steel. It is very economical in range. It is non-breakable, durable, sturdy and long-lasting. It is very easy to clean and maintain. When not in use, each plate can be stacked inside another plate, consuming lesser storage space. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dish sponge. Is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, providing good grip and coverage so you can spend less time scrubbing. With a design that's cute and functional, it's hard not to smile back. His eyes hold on to you for a 360-degree reach and mouth cleans both sides of your utensils. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Casserole. With a stainless steel lid, is a kitchenware item used primarily for serving and keeping food warm. It is designed to maintain the temperature of pre-cooked dishes. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Organizer rack. Come with hemmed corners to safeguard your hands. Steel pipes and removable plastic are highly durable with a skid-resistant surface that hinders from sliding or scratching. Can be adjusted to any layout of desirable space. Sturdy racks to keeps the items in place. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Containers. The transparent acrylic lid of the stainless steel containers allows you to easily see the contents inside without opening the lid. The twist lock system ensures an airtight and secure seal, keeping contents fresh and preventing spills. Useful for storing dry fruits, snacks, kitchen ingredients. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Glass jars. Keep your cooking essentials neatly stored and easily visible with these high-quality stainless steel containers. The transparent window makes it simple to check your supply levels at a glance. Versatile kitchen storage, ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Kadhai. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, it won't rust with regular care, ensuring its longevity. The extra thick 5 mm base ensures that your food won't burn or stick, promising generations of faithful service and consistently delicious, healthy meals. It is crafted from a high-quality grade of cast iron, equipped with a heat-proof glass lid. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Fridge storage containers. The lid of the silicone fruit storage box is made of high-quality silicone, which is stretchable, pliable, and not easy to deform, and can be put on different sizes of sliced fruits and vegetables. The body of the avocado storage silicone is made of food-grade ABS material. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Dosa tawa. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware with wonderful properties for cooking. Ideal for quick snacks like, for making uttapam, fried eggs, aloo tikki, fish fry and many more. Suitable for use on gas, electric, ceramic and halogen. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Containers. Airtight seal ensures that their favorite dry fruits stay perfectly fresh, retaining their original taste, aroma, and texture. Crafted with both style and functionality in mind, these containers boast a sleek and contemporary design that complements any kitchen decor. Containers are BPA-free, ensuring that your dry fruits are stored. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Idli cooker. Crafted from food-grade SS304 stainless steel, this idli cooker and steamer pot is rust-resistant, durable, and safe for healthy cooking, ensuring long life and consistent performance. Designed to distribute heat evenly, this idli cooker ensures your idlis turn out fresh. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Vegetable cutter. One kitchen gadgets enriches your kitchen. It can be a vegetable chopper, a mandolin slicer, a veggie dicer. Cut your produce like a pro with our newest vegetable chopper. It includes 8 stainless steel interchangeable blades, 1 blade cleaning claw, 1 peeler, 1 hand guard, 1 egg separator, 1 attached and 1 drain basket. One vegetable chopper set can do multiple kitchen and meal preparation function. Vegetable chopper slicer contains 8 different sizes of fruit chopper blades, interchangeable blades for thick, thin slicing, dicing or chunking, shredding, thick or thin, grinding and chopping. Onion chopper rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel maintains sharp edges for crisp, smooth cuts and grating. The blades go in and out easily and are built to last, making it the perfect tool to make home cooking easier and faster. Fruits and vegetable onion chopper all-in-one design makes cooking faster. Built-in cutting blade cuts food directly into the 1.5L large container, which prevents food from sliding off while slicing or making mess on countertops. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Grinder. Crafted from rust-resistant, food-grade SE304 SS, this wet grinder ensures your food is healthy, safe and free from contaminants. Grinder with revolutionary, patented conical stones that give you effective grinding with less sieve. The conical stones enable uniform pressure while grinding, reducing heat generation and promoting fermentation rise. Hence the batter stays fresh for long. Features a CE-certified in-house manufactured 150W motor for reliable performance, efficiency and durability. Boasts a sturdy yet lightweight ABS body, ensuring durability and resistance to impact and scratches, also providing a sleek and modern design. The cylindrical SE304 SS drum can be used for multiple purposes like grinding, coconut scraping and atta kneading. The fresh batter can be stored in the same drum after grinding. The wet grinder body is built with sturdy yet lightweight ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ensuring durability and resistance to impact and scratches, also providing a sleek and modern design to the wet grinder. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Teapot. Heat-resistant, built for durability and everyday use. 760 ml total capacity with separate steeping, 310 ml and serving, 450 ml chambers for precise brewing and easy separation. Advanced magnetic separation system filters tea leaves effortlessly. Comfortable, heat-resistant grip adds a touch of elegance to your tea sessions. Durable, heat-resistant glass withstands high temperatures without cracking, safe for stovetop and open flame use. Clear glass body showcases tea brewing process, perfect for loose leaf, blooming, or herbal teas. Smooth, heat-insulated wooden handle ensures safe, comfortable pouring without burns. Non-porous glass resists stains and odors, dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Ideal for serving family, guests, or personal tea time, suitable for hot and cold beverages. Combines style and functionality, great for tea lovers, housewarmings, weddings, or holidays. Glass infuser teapot made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel. Round-shaped eagle teapot outlet design ensure the water falls smoothly when you are pouring tea. Humanized glass infuser teapot handle ensure your hand comfortably when pouring tea. This teapot infuser made of safety food-grade stainless, which can be removable and easy to clean, perfect for blooming in loose-leaf tea, like green tea, flower tea, fruit tea, herbal tea, coffee. Glass teapot, which perfect for two-person. With this loose teapot, you could enjoy afternoon tea and good times. The teapot can withstand instant temperature change from -20 to 120. It will stay intact even if you fill boiling water into the frozen teapot instantly. This tea kettle has a removable infuser, which made with food-grade 304 stainless steel. It can filter the pieces, like flavorful fruit, herbs, tea leaves, or tea bags. This is a very clear teapot. It is the perfect gift for tea lovers to make herbal tea, black tea, scented tea, fruit tea, lemonade, coffee and other various teas and beverages. The teapot is stovetop safe, microwavable and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 31st link.